Hello, my name is Vicky White. I'm a cabin technician and I work here at AAR. Cabin is the part of the plane that as soon as the passengers walk in, that's the first thing they see. So we have to make sure everything is up to par, everything is perfect. And that's including parts of the structure, the wiring, the insulation, the windows, making sure there's no corrosion on any of the structure inside. So what I was doing up there was CICing. It's a corrosion inhibitor compound, and that protects the structure from corrosion when moisture gets to it, if moisture gets to it. That is what keeps the passenger safe, to make sure that there's no stress cracks, to make sure there's no cracking at all, to make sure there's no corrosion, to make sure that everything is airworthy. They're very thorough when we have these certain checks of the plane. A lot of technicians, they're retiring. I mean, everybody knows about that, so it's in high demand right now for people to get their A&P. I think having an A&P is very important. Getting better jobs, moving up, getting paid more. AAR is great. I feel the AAR, they actually help you. They see that you're striving to do better and that you're dependable. AAR, they'll see that and they'll help you. And your attitude is everything. Your attitude is everything in aviation. AAR makes sure that you have the tools that you need. You can go to the tool crib and check out a tool that you need. You can request a tool that you need. This place right here is one of the best jobs I've had. As soon as I walked in, everybody was just great. The atmosphere here with people, we just get along so well. And I'm always smiling when I'm in this hangar. And I can't help. Everybody's energy is just awesome.